coming in. In fact, a reaction from Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, who's put out a long post on social media. After SBI asked for 4.5 months to publish electoral bonds, it became clear that the Modi government is making every possible effort to cover up its dark deeds. It's a long post. I've just read one part of that tweet in which Mallikarjun Kharge is questioning the intent of both the government and the SBI. And Aditi will get us more details on the entire post. Yes, Aditi.
Well, Swati, you know, the Congress and the other opposition parties are rejoicing on the fact that SBI has been given a deadline, and so they are saying that this is what was needed at the time of elections, and now the SBI will expose all the black deeds that have been done by the BJP, and hence a reaction coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge. He says इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड प्रकाशित करने के लिए एसबीआई द्वारा 4.5 महीने मांगने के बाद साफ हो गया था कि मोदी सरकार अपने काले कारनामों पर पर्दा डालने की हर संभव कोशिश कर रही है। आज के माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले से देश को जल्द इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड से भाजपा के चंदा देने वालों की लिस्ट पता चलेगी। मोदी सरकार के भ्रष्टाचार, घपलों और लेन देन की कलई खुलने की ये पहली सीढ़ी है। अब भी देश को ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि भाजपा के चुनिंदा पूंजीपति चंदाधारक किस किस ठेके के लिए मोदी सरकार को चंदा देते हैं। उसके लिए माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट को उचित निर्देश देने चाहिए। मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स की से ये तो उजागर हुआ ही है कि भाजपा किस तरह ईडी, सीबीआई, आईटी रेड डलवाकर जबरन चंदा वसूली करती है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला पारदर्शित जवाबदेही और लोकतंत्र में बराबरी के मौके की जीत है। So hailing the verdict given by the Supreme Court, they are just saying that an additional order should be passed where who gave the donation to the Bharatiya Janata Party should also be revealed.
All right, Aditi, thank you very much for getting us the details. We have reactions coming in from Karti Chidambaram and Ashok Gehlot as well. Let's listen in.
I have not read the full judgment, but I welcome the judgment. It's absolutely necessary that there is full disclosure well before the election is announced. And I think that's only fair in a democracy, that the people know that who are the ones who have contributed financially to a political party and whether any other benefits have been given to those contributors, particularly by the ruling dispensation, because they are the only ones in a position to give benefits to those who contributed to them. And there have also been allegations that there have been companies and entities which have been raided by the agencies which have made contributions to the ruling dispensation. So we need to have this full disclosure, and the people of India have a right to know this information. I wish they will tell me that when I have to pay my EMI. When I tell me they pay my EMI, I said I need to manually count whether I have enough money or something like that. This is ridiculous. The SBI is the largest bank in India. They have a huge IT budget. For them to say they have to manually tally anything is actually laughable.
कि अपनी क्रेडिबिलिटी थी वो डाउन हुई है। आपने बहाना का 6 महीने का बहाना किया एसबीआई ने, तो ये अपना आप में मैं समझता हूँ कि शक पैदा करता है कि क्या कारण था उन्होंने 6 महीने टाइम मांगा, किसके कहने से मांगा। सरकार की मिली भगत लगती है इसके अंदर। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज कहा तो बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है, कल तक रिकॉर्ड पेश करो कि आपने इतने दिन तक क्या किया।
Shivani continues to be with us. Shivani, Karti Chidambaram is making a very important point. Karti Chidambaram is saying it's very important to know, people of this country have the right to know who contributed how much to which political party.
See, Swati, what Aditi was also telling from the tweet of Mallikarjun Kharge and what Karti Chidambaram has also said is about the transparency of the contributions that are being made to the ruling dispensation. Here, they are alleging that the BJP has been taking maximum chunk of these electoral bonds, and that needs to be revealed, that from where this donation has come, and has the ruling dispensation done any benefits or done any anything to benefit those people who have donated more, or have they also tried to affect those who have not contributed that much? So that is the concern of the opposition party, especially the Congress, who has been very vocal about the electoral bonds since they were scrapped in the February month, 15th of February. They welcomed this step, and they also alleged that this could affect the election process. So this was very important for the SBI to reveal that these donations, these electoral bonds, are coming from where, the denominations, and also the name of the purchaser, and to whom, to the political, which political party, how much share has gone. So this is the transparency or the pardarshita which the Mallikarjun Kharge tweet was also mentioning needs to be there. And Supreme Court has also very clearly indicated out here, Swati, while the hearing was on and while making the decisions, that this is a violation of Article 19(1)(a), right to information to the citizens of the country. So they cannot allow these kind of electoral bonds because they are unanimous. So people need to know that who is contributing to which party and how much. So that is all what Congress is also saying, welcoming the step by the Supreme Court of dismissing this plea of extending the date till 30th of June.
Right. As of now, the court has said you don't have to match details of the donors and the recipients. Give us information on how much an individual donated and which political party received how much. So, all the arguments were presented to extend that deadline, seeking for an extension. Mr. Salve also said there are complexities and technicalities involved, but that was set aside by the Supreme Court. Thank you, Shivani and Harish, for getting us the details. With that, a quick break.